Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Sometimes we accidentally delete photos or video from our mobile phone or laptop and don't know how to restore it back. In this video, I will tell you some possible way to restore the delete photos or video. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. The first step is check Google Photos trace. Google Photos keeps deleted items in the trace for 60 days before permanently deleting them. For this, open Google Photos app or website. Go to the trace. In the left sidebar or under the library tab, select the photos or videos you want to restore and tap restore. Next solution is check Google Drive backup. If Google Photos are linked with the Google Drive backup, check if the file are available there. For this, go to the Google Drive and then click on three drop down button and then go to the backups and click on this and click on three dotted button and then backup setting and check this option is enabled or not. If it is enabled, then you can restore your deleted photos or video. The next solution is check Google account takeout backup. If you are previously used Google takeout to download backup, check your local storage or cloud backup like OneDrive, Dropbox or external hard drive. If you found any old backup, you can restore your lost files. The next solution is request data recovery from Google support. If the file were deleted permanently within last 21st days, you can contact Google support to request recovery. For this, go to the Google Photos and then click on the profile icon and then go to the help and feedback. Now you can select restore recently deleted photos or videos. Click on this and you can send request to restore the deleted photos or videos from here. The last solution is check Google album or archive photos. Sometimes photos or video might be the archive section to Google Photos. For this, open your Google Photos and go to the library section and click on the archive and you can restore from here the missing files. So these way to restore your deleted photos or videos. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.